Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Instagram account in your Android cell phones. For this, first you have to make sure that Instagram application is installed in your cell phones. To install Instagram, you have to go to the Play Store and search for Instagram. If it's already installed in your phone, go to the Open. Then Instagram application is open in front of you. You have to go to the Sign Up. Here you will see the option which is about sign up with email or phone number. Go to it. You will see two options here. The first one is about phone and the second one is about email. You can sign up with your phone numbers and your email as well. I will show you how you can sign up with your email. Enter your email address here and go to the next. They will send you a confirmation code in your email addresses. Open your emails. Here you will see that they have sent you a code. You have to copy the code and paste it in your Instagram application. And go to the next. Now you have to enter your name and the password that you want to make for your Instagram application. And go to the continue and sync contact. If you go to the option continue and sync contact, the Instagram application will automatically sync contact from your cell phone. If you don't want to do this, go to the continue without syncing the contact. You have to enter your date of birth here and go to the next. You will see the option which is about welcome to Instagram. Go to the next. And here Instagram application will register your account.